Greenwood Cemetery was established in 1874, and it's the oldest black non-sectarian cemetery in the St. Louis area. It is over just under 32 acres, and there are over 50,000 people buried in this cemetery. It's the resting place of Harriet Scott, the wife of Dred Scott.
There are a lot of local people that are buried here that really had so much to do with the fabric of St. Louis.
When we first got started, at least when I first got started, like I said, I parked on the street there, and everything was like 15 to 20 feet tall easily. And about 15 or 20 people showed up that day to see if we could make a dent in the cemetery. And we all held hands up there by that church there, and we determined we were going to come out every Saturday and start trying to reclaim it.
That gets stuck past kind of this crook. Don't stick your hands in. What you can do.
And with the volunteers that we have from AmeriCorps here, it is truly making a difference for all the families who have loved ones buried in this cemetery who have not been able to find them for years and years and years.
And we're able to take those phone calls and say, I know where your grandfather is, I can take you to him, or I can walk you, it's kind of,
Partnering with GCPA has afforded AmeriCorps St. Louis the opportunity to have such a big impact so close to home. It really has just been the project of a lifetime.
We have relatives here. Speaking of which, when I was leaving yesterday, I found my grandfather's grave up in section 6 there.
wow, finally.
Finally. I've been looking for that for almost 7 years.
All right.